If you're seeing Epic Games error IS-0003, install failed, don't worry. This is usually caused by something simple like low disk space, a corrupted game file check, permissions, security software, or a damaged launcher cache. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your Epic Games install working again. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, let's check the most common cause, disk space. Epic Games needs more space than just the game size itself, so make sure you have at least 20 to 30% extra free space on the drive where you're installing. If your drive is nearly full, delete unused files, empty the recycle bin, or choose a different drive with more storage. Once you've freed up space, go back and try the install again. If that doesn't solve it, the next step is to verify the game files. Open the Epic Games launcher, go to your library, find the game, click the three dots next to it, then choose Manage. From there, click Verify. This checks for missing or broken files and can fix install issues caused by incomplete downloads or bad data. Next, try running Epic Games as an administrator. Close the launcher completely, then right-click the Epic Games Launcher.exe file and select Run as Administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions it needs to write files properly during installation, which can help if Windows is blocking certain actions. Another thing to try is temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall. Sometimes security software can interfere with the install process and trigger IS-0003. Turn off your antivirus temporarily and make sure Epic Games is allowed through your firewall. After that, retry the install. Just remember to turn protection back on once you're done testing. If the error still appears, change the install location. Instead of installing to the original drive, try a different one, like D or another drive with plenty of space and fewer restrictions. A fresh install path can often bypass problems caused by drive permissions or damaged folders. Finally, clear the Epic Games launcher cache. Close the launcher, then open File Explorer and go to C, Users, Your Name, App Data, Local, Epic Games Launcher, Saved. Inside that folder, delete the web cache folder. After that, reopen the launcher and try installing again. This clears out temporary files that can become corrupted and cause install errors. If you followed these steps, one of them should fix Epic Games error IS-0003 and get your install moving again. If this video helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more Epic Games troubleshooting guides.